Ladies and gentlemen, your host, Ms. Amy Cook.
Welcome to the National Independent Automobile Dealers Association Quality Dealer of the Year Awards. I'm Amy Cook. Tonight, NIADA names the Quality Dealer for 2007, chosen out of 24 nominees from around the country. But first, welcome from NIADA and the NIADA Television Network, Mr. Michael Lynn.
Thanks, Amy, and welcome to Nashville, Tennessee, the site of this year's NIADA Annual Convention and tonight's premier event, the National Quality Dealer Awards. Last year we had over 35,000 viewers watching the event from Las Vegas. This year we expect as many as 50,000 viewers to be on hand for the naming of our 2007 NIADA Quality Dealer of the Year. To all NIADA members and viewers, welcome to this great event. And to our nominees, their families and friends, congratulations. Now, here's our Master of Ceremonies, Michael York.
Thank you, Mr. Lynn, and thank you all. Welcome to the show. It is once again my pleasure to be mastering the ceremonies here for NIADA TV, live from the Gaylord Opryland Resort and Hotel.